I'm Olena, and I'm welcoming you to my new YouTube channel, Festina's Cookbook. And let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a doctor, an obstetrician gynecologist, clinical researcher, and I worked in the medical field for many years. But now I concentrated more on educational projects and also publications. So I'm author of many bestsellers on women's health. And I'm in an age when I'm very close to retirement, and I retired a little bit early, but at the same time, it's not retirement that I'm sitting at home doing nothing, because I have my own business and I'm working on educational courses. I'm also publishing books and articles. I'm socially active. And I'm an artist, so I like to do art crafts and also jewelry. So I own my online store on Etsy. All information about my other social pages and my activity, you can find in information about this video. But also I'm a good cook because I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a grandmother. And in my family, everybody cooked, except, of course, men at the beginning, but now even men cook. And I have a lot of family recipes. So I started to write a book I called Festina's Cookbook. And why Festina's? Because I like the expression Festina's liente. It's Latin expression. It means hurry but slowly. And it's a biblical term or biblical expression. But in my kind of opinion, from my point of view, it has a lot of meaning. It's because we're always in a hurry and we hardly see what's going on around us. So hurry but slowly, it means, yes, hurry to live life fully, and do not rush to miss something very important and beautiful around you. And that's kind of like my slogan. And also I know Festina, it's a Spanish company that makes beautiful watches. But at the same time, I started to write a book, or let's say a notebook with my recipes that I would like to pass to my children and my grandchildren. And my daughter, by the way, cooks also very, very well. She's the perfect in bakery. And my husband started cooking, and he's really good with some vegetables and meat. Originally, I'm from Ukraine, and I grew up under Soviet regime, and we had a lot of difficulties to get food. So a lot of recipes we use are simple and from um, a couple ingredients that you could find in a store. But the food, Ukrainian food, is so delicious. And I decided to pass this recipes to my family members, but also writing a book, Festina Cooks Books, gave me the idea that I would like to share with other people these recipes. And as I said, they're simple, they're tasty, and they don't require a lot of time, except like few of them. I'm not a professional cook, and I'm not going to use a professional kitchen, fancy kitchen. I'm going to also use my pictures. I mean, I have thousands of pictures, so probably different format, but also will be talking about nutrition. I'm certified in nutrition. So subscribe to my channel. Bon appetit.